Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D logo effect. So copy and paste your video, go to effects, go to comic, and add in the neon inside of the photo like so, and then you're going to select the light effect, and you want to add in, go to media first and go to library and select the color of your choice. I'm just going to choose this color, scale it up, go to blend mode and choose linear burn. Then I will go back to effects, go to angel and under light effect and add it to the video, and hopefully it shows. I don't know what will happen if I press create compound clip, or if you want to add it later on, that's fine. You can also go to lens and you can also add in the edge glow to it. Okay, maybe not there, maybe like above it, like so. Oops. I'm just going to also make these a little bit longer than they are. Just a glow here. Maybe like adjust the strength a little bit. Hopefully when we combine all these, okay, we can create this really cool effect. So select everything, right click, oops, create compound clip. And then you are going to press the crop button and you're just going to select the one by one, confirm. You're going to then go to animation and you're going to just select combo and you're going to then select the cube effect, which is right here. Just make the image bigger if that's not visible enough, like that. It's a little bit like pixelated a bit, but that's fine. You can also change the color of your background so you can see it a little bit better. Maybe like that. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!